All right, now let's go over replacing the freezer door panel. You'll remove this top section and then the side trim piece. Slide the panels into the grooves. Replace the side piece. Making sure your panel is placed correctly. And then replace the top piece. Replacing the refrigerator panel is the same, except for you don't have to remove that top piece. The side trim piece comes off, and you slide the panel in and remove the trim piece. This panel is the one that will differ in size up to 5 inches, so make sure you order or make the right size panel.